on?
I just needed a couple dollars for gas.
Okay, because people are out here worried about you, that you're out here screaming, dear.
Yeah, if they were worried, they would not talk to me personally one day.
Yeah, but that's not how it works down here, dear.
If they were really weird, once they come talk to me.
You're right, but that's not how it works out here because you're in
I
Key
know,
West.
I know.
Where you?
Someone told me to come do this.
Where you?
Somebody else is even for
Hey,
me.
where you
It's not
from?
even for me.
Where are you from?
Who cares?
I care. So
And
what?
don't worry, I won't be here much longer. I'm gonna go home.
Okay, so what's going on tonight, dude?
I'm just trying to get some gas for friends to get out to the boat.
To get out to the boat? Where's your boat at?
It's not mine.
It's not your boat.
It's not mine. It's not even for me.
Okay.
It's not even for me.
But see how I'm talking to you and you're kind of yelling at me? I see you're a little excited, okay? So I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm not trying to be any kind of way.
I know. But people are worried and calling about you. That's
If
how...
they were worried, why aren't they talking to me? Why aren't they helping me? They need gas. I'm trying. I put us two together. It's fucking easy.
Why are you yelling at me?
Well, when you're acting like this, people don't really want to come find out what's going on. That's why they call us to see
If they would
what's going
listen to
on.
me, they know what's going on.
Well, you're out here screaming and flailing your arms. You're kind of freaking people out. So that's
Well,
why.
listen to me, and then I won't freak you out, will I?
Well,
You know what's going on with me. I'm getting them upset. I wonder why.
I got you.
What's going on?
Gas.
What about the gas?
Gas.
What about it?
It's not even for me.
Then why do you need it?
To get out to somebody's boat with them.
Okay. Do you have money?
It's like $2. $2. $2 paper.
You're right. You're right.
I'm not trying to yell. He asked me to do this for his people.
You have money to pay for gas?
No, I got 5 cents in my pocket. 5 cents. That thing fell off the ground. That thing fell off the ground.
But you want to ask people to help, and then you're screaming
I
at
sit
us.
down there, and they told me I couldn't do that.
Yeah, you
They
can't.
kicked me out.
In Key West, you can't ask people for money. That's.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You'd rather have me come and...
Stop.
I'm not trying to do that. I'm not.
Stop.
But you'd rather have me rob you
No, stop.
or steal from the store.
Because what's going to happen if you do that again is I'm going to put you in handcuffs. So let's
Oh,
not do
I
that. Go
don't
ahead and
mean
take a
to.
seat for me.
I don't mean
Go ahead and take a seat for me.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead and take
You
a seat
help
for
me
me.
with somebody trying to rape me. If you don't help me with travel with that. I think.
Where are you staying at? On a...
Whatever. Say that's where I want to get into his boat. Stay on his boat with him. $2. $2.
$2?
Well, how much was this little thing get?
It's going to be.
$2.
It might be a little more than $2.
$4?
Yeah.
Okay. Still not much. Still not much.
What's your name, dear?
Let me check my breath. I'm trying to calm down.
Okay, good.
The only way I don't do that is to breathe.
So what's your name, dear?
Does that matter?
Yeah.
Any one of you, any person in my position, right here, right
I hope
now.
not.
Name. Simple question. His name, birthday.
I am.
Your name's I am?
Okay.
I am. I'm here, and I don't know why I'm here. I am.
You are. I am. That's your name. That's what you're going with.
Yep.
I am.
And I don't mean to be rude, and I don't mean to be any in the way.
We're just trying to find out who you are.
It doesn't matter. Cat.
Kat.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Kat.
And I'm not trying to be any kind of way.
Okay. So, Kat, what's your last name, Kat?
But there's no O or D because I don't stand for oppression or violence.
Okay, so that last name, what is it?
There's no O or D between the L and E because I don't stand for oppression or violence.
Okay.
I've asked that. You don't want me to just go grab some gas and run.
So, yeah. 100%.
He doesn't want me to do that.
Yeah.
That's wrong. No. I don't want to live, but no, I don't want to hurt myself.
You don't want to live.
You know what? Because I'm waiting to go home, or go home to my family. I'm in the in between. But no, I don't want to die. But I don't want to live either. Whatever that tells you. If you
Listen to me real quick. Do you want to go to... I'm talking.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you want to go to Tapu so maybe they can try to get you some help for the hospital?
No.
Again.
I know, but I was finishing my sentence.
I was talking first.
You asked me a question.
That's in the past.
Did
Listen.
you not ask me a question?
Okay. So you can either come with me voluntarily, or we can stand up and I can put you in handcuffs and do this whole shebang.
Why?
Look, we're going to the hospital one way.
Why?
Listen.
You're not letting me talk either.
Because I'm speaking
You
first.
asked me a question. I'm answering my question. You don't let me finish my question.
Do you want to come with me voluntarily, or do you want to do this with maybe a little
I
bit of
didn't even
force?
get my phone. I can't even call the people who are waiting on me to bring them back to gas.
Voluntarily?
Take me to their phone.
You're doing a lot of yelling. We came out here. All right. Cat, put your arms behind your back for me. Thank you so much.
This is your love.
The hospital, okay, Cat?
I love you. This is your love. This is your love.
I'm gonna take this
is your
from
love.
you. Thank you.
Go ahead.
All right. Up. All right. There you go.
So look,
This is your love. All I want to do is go home to their
I want
boat.
to tighten it up a little
All
bit.
I want to do is go home to their boat. For the homeless
know,
people.
but
No,
Kat,
you don't know.
Kat.
You don't. I want to put me in
That's
custody.
not what we're putting you in handcuffs for. You're acting real erratic right
I
now.
wonder why.
We've tried to talk to
Have
you
you been
numerous times.
Have you been in
We've
this?
tried to talk to you numerous times.
And you
keep
won't let me
jumping
talk.
around.
And you
You're
won't let me
flailing
talk.
your arms. You're not
And you won't
identifying
let-
yourself. So we're gonna get you
I
somewhere where
did.
they're gonna find what.
I gave you my name and my last name.
What is it? Cat what? You see how you've calmed down as soon as you put handcuffs on? That's what we didn't want to do. But now you're calm, and now we're gonna talk through some things, okay?
Well, why don't you listen to me?
You weren't letting us
No,
talk,
you
and
weren't
you
listening
wanted
to
to
us.
talk over us
But
when
you-
we were trying to explain things.
but you also
now we're getting somewhere. Let's go to my partner's car right here. We're gonna see about getting you some help, okay? Cat, come on, come on.
$4.
Cat, do you have anything you need?
You know you can help me. If you really wanted to help me, you'd give me the $4 for the gas.
You're right,
Or
Cat,
fill
but
that gas
we don't
tank.
do that as a Key West police
No, I know.
department.
All you do is throw people in jail.
I don't
You're
want
not
to throw
going-
you.
You make
You're not going
money.
to jail.
man.
Then why am I here in handcuffs?
Because
Guys.
we think that you're having some type of a breakdown or having some type of... So we're going to get you some help that's further out of our scope, okay,
That's up
Cat?
there. That's up there.
Oh, you're right, but it's out of my scope of work and out of my profession, so we're going to get you
That's
somewhere
why you
else.
told everybody
You're
except for
right.
his.
Hey, do you want to call 83? I know she's on a traffic stop to pat her down or search her.
I might have a one-hitter on me.
Oh, you might have a one-hitter on you. Okay.
All I'm doing is trusting you, man.
Okay.
Look at my tattoos.
I got you.
Look at my tattoos.
What do you have right here, dear?
That's probably my vape.
That's your vape? Okay, I'm just making sure it's not a knife or nothing, okay? You don't have any knives or any
No.
needles or anything like that
No,
on
no,
you,
no,
do
no,
you?
no.
Are you sure, Kat?
Yes.
I don't want to get
I
poked at.
told you what I had.
Okay, you're the one hitter. Okay, fair enough. Right, you see that officer? She's going to pat you down,
Good
okay?
evening, Officer Roman. All right, couple of things. Do you have anything on you?
A one-hitter.
Okay, where is that?
One of my probably my right.
Okay. Anything that's going to poke or stab you?
No.
Nothing, right?
No.
That will not be happening.
Yep, there you go, Kat. See?
I'm not trying to be belligerent. I'm not trying to be anything.
Okay.
Yep, that's it. I told you that I thought it was my right pocket.
Yeah, but she's got to make sure, okay?
Yeah, the last thing I want to do is get poked by anything, right?
Right.
I've been there, done
I don't
that,
like
Kat.
needles. I don't even like getting a shot from them.
I know, but I don't know
when
you.
they got to, I tell them don't count the three and tell me when you're gonna do it. I look away and just tell them.
And just let it, I got you.
Just
Yeah.
please
I'm
do
not a
it.
needle person.
Yeah, neither am I, Kat.
Especially-
How'd you get tattoos if you don't like needles?
That's a good question.
Okay, all right.
That is a very-
See? Now we're talking,
That's
all right?
a very.
I know, dear, I know.
I should go to do it just like this.
Let's find out who she is first.
What'd she say her name was?
It's Kat?
Kathryn.
You have an ID out of Florida, ma'am?
I'm
No.
going to hold on to that.
Yeah.
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin?
Nothing out of Florida? That's your last IDs out of Wisconsin, dear?
Correct.
Okay.
Is it Cat, right?
Kathryn, yes, but I go by Kat.
Cat, nothing in your bra?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to pick up that aluminum flag.
All right,
That
do
should
me a
be
favor.
That really should be
I'm going to
on.
have you kick your shoes off for me.
No problem. That's why I love doing it.
Yep.
That's why I love doing it when you don't have time to
That's
tie
fine.
it.
Yeah, fair enough.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Can you lift up this foot for me?
Yep.
I got you, Kat, okay? I'm not going to let you fall. That's the last thing I want,
alright,
dear.
Don't worry, I'm not worried.
Go. Come this way, Kat. There you go, dear. Just like that.
Correct.
I know.
$4.
know.
I've only got a nickel in my pocket. Did you
I
bring a
got
nickel, ma'am?
A nickel?
Yeah, there should have been a nickel in my pocket.
A nickel?
I don't think she's checked the front pocket yet.
Yes, she did.
Did she?
Yes, she did.
You checked the front pocket?
I should be in the right
Check your
one.
missus.
I don't see a nickel in there, but we'll try. Is it like a...
I picked up a nickel. There should be a nickel.
Do you have holes in your pockets?
I don't know.
Don't know.
No nickel in there.
I picked up a nickel. Maybe it's the one. Well, you got to check that pocket. See, Lord, even had me lose my nickel.
Look at
Oh,
that.
man. That's not good.
My last nickel.
Your last one. You'll find more.
And all I wanted was a couple dollars
Are you
for
gonna
some gas
take
that wasn't
these
even
down?
for me.
You want to put those on?
Pardon?
Your
I
shoes, so
guess-
we don't have you out here in socks.
Yes, please.
There you
Thank
go. There you go.
I appreciate it.
This for you? Alright. Which side do you want?
All right, open your mouth for me.
Uh,
Stick your tongue up. Okay. Perfect. Nothing around here. You're good.
no, I'm going to get a mohawk and then you won't have to check that.
Oh, I still have to check.
Kat, just sit here for a second, okay?
Or
And
your
we'll keep
princess.
talking.
His princess.
He is. He's a prince. Just go ahead and
No
sit in
problem.
here, okay? And we'll keep talking in a second.
I just,
I just gotta talk to my partner real quick.
No problem.
All right, thanks, Kat.
You got your ink on?
Your ink car's on? We're going off to discuss.
Why? It wasn't even for me.